YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Mike Burver here. This is brought to you by Creative Control Media. Today I want to talk a little bit about YouTube how-to videos. Now, I'm not talking about the how-to videos as far as fixing cars and all the YouTubers that give good advice. I'm not talking about those YouTube channels. I'm talking about the videos that, how to make $200-300 a day. Then at the end of the video, they trying to sell you something. Now, I understand, you know, their clickable titles and description. But come on, man. You're not fooling anyone, man. You guys are out here basically just trying to make money. And I'm just sick and tired of it. If you're going to give people information, give them the correct information. Just don't give them shit to clickbait, because that ain't cool. You know, that's my little rant, man. It's crazy, man. I remember when I very first started YouTube, and I'm still in my beginning stages. I'm not even gonna lie. And I asked one of the YouTubers. I ain't gonna throw his name out there and all that. I asked him a question in the comment box. This man uh replies to me with a link or something like that. He replies to me with a link, right? Then then I click on a link. Then there's a link for I guess a paid program or something like that. It was some crazy price. It was like 10 or 20,000. I was like, whoa, this guy is crazy. All I'm asking him is a regular question. Like, come on, you guys just need to stop, man. If you're gonna give people information, give them the information. I'm not saying every information you gotta give it gotta come free and all that, but give them good information at a reasonable price, man. You guys is crazy out here, man. You guys don't even deserve to be on YouTube, man. You know, I recommend, guys like The Minority Mindset, Roberto Blake, you know, Boyce Watkins, people that's really gonna show you something, man. And it's the other few that I left out, but you guys need to cut that crap out, man. Cut it out, man. Cut it out, man, and stop trying to charge these people. You guys are charging them. You guys are charging these people so much money. In all actuality, man, you can pay for all these courses you want, boys and girls, but at the end of the day, man, you got to put in the work. Don't let these people lie to you saying they're giving you the secret. There is no secret, man. It's hard work and dedication, man. Stop falling for these tricks, man. YouTube, it's your boy Mike Burford, Creative Control, and we out. Later.